Hello everyone. This session is based on 10 types of doctors and it takes references from the book Word Power Made Easy. And if you want to do exercises related to these words, you can refer to that book. So let's start. The body investigator, internist. Picture yourself in a medical detective's shoes. The internist is like Sherlock Holmes, using a vast array of tests, x-rays, blood chemistry and more to decipher the enigmas of your health. They leave no stone unturned in their quest to unravel what's wrong with you and why. Get ready to be amazed by their sleuthing skills. The female whisperer, gynecologist. This specialist is the ultimate confidant for female health. With a deep understanding of the female reproductive and sexual organs, they are the wise guides for women. Whether it's handling female troubles or ensuring overall well-being, they are like magical companions on the journey of womanhood. The miracle worker, obstetrician. Imagine witnessing a miracle, bringing life into the world. The obstetrician is like a wizard, guiding expectant mothers through the magical journey of pregnancy. They are the guardians of both the mother and the little bundle of joy, ensuring a safe and joyous arrival into the world. The child's guardian, pediatrician. Enter the realm of innocence and joy, childhood. The pediatrician is like a caring guardian, watching over the little ones from birth to adolescence. With expertise in growth, development, and immunity, they have the power to keep children healthy and smiling. The skin savior, dermatologist. Behold the protector of our outer shield, the skin. From battling acne to defeating psoriasis, the dermatologist is like a warrior in the fight against skin troubles. They'll have you glowing like never before with their magical treatments. The eye enchanters, ophthalmologist. Open your eyes to a world of clear vision. The ophthalmologist is a wizard who can restore clarity to your sight. Whether it's myopia, astigmatism, or even cataracts, they wield their power to make the world a vibrant place. The bone magician, orthopedist. In the realm of bones and joints, the orthopedist reigns supreme. They have the power to mend fractures, realign spines, and restore strength with braces or other enchanting devices. Step into their domain of strong and healthy bones. The heart charmer, cardiologist. Feel the rhythm of your heart as it beats to their tune. The cardiologist is the master of hearts, skilled in treating heart diseases and circulatory issues. With their healing touch, they will have your heart singing again. The brain explorer, neurologist. Unravel the secrets of the most mysterious organ, the brain. The neurologist delves into the wonders of nervous system, decoding headaches, spinal cord issues, and more. They are like explorers of the mind searching for hidden treasures. The mind healer, psychiatrist. Let's journey into the labyrinth of emotions and thoughts. The psychiatrist is a compassionate healer, using various techniques and therapies to bring peace to troubled minds. They are like guides leading you out of the maze of anxiety and despair. In this captivating world of medical specialists, Each one holds a key to a different aspects of your health. They are not just doctors, they are extraordinary beings with superpowers dedicated to making our lives better. So, the next time you encounter a medical challenge, remember that these superheroes are here to save the day. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video and learn more about doctors. Bye bye.